I got 4 college students to design their very own video. Welcome to the ultimate Egg McMuffin race. It all started when we were sat in a McDonald's drive-thru dreaming of Egg McMuffins. And that's when Tom said,
we could definitely make this quicker at home.
Both teams will go head-to-head in the ultimate McMuffin race. Team 1, McBarry. Team 2, the McMuffin Men. So Team McMuffin Men will travel to a local McDonald's and back, collecting a sausage and egg McMuffin with maybe a challenge along the way whilst I cook some at home. Okay, the official exchanging of the challenges has commenced. So the guys are off.
Good luck.
All right, they've already started. See you guys, good luck. So my bodged crew for the day, I've got no Tom, I've got India and Kieran here. How are you doing?
Stuck with us.
Yeah, we're going to try and do a homemade sausage and egg McMuffin before they get back. All right, sausage and egg McMuffin, very, very simple. And before you ask...
Yes, you can make a sausage egg McMuffin in an air fryer.
So, very simple ingredients. You need some pork mince, which we're going to season with some salt and pepper. You need an egg, and in case you don't know it's an egg, we've even labelled it for you. We're going to butter these muffins, so butter. An English muffin, I don't know why it's called an English muffin. You can let me know down below if you want. Have that. And last up is the cheese, which I actually went in the supermarket last night, and I got into a bit of a weird debate with myself about which cheese to pick.
See, all of these look a bit too yellow. And the red Leicester's a bit too red.
In the end, I opted for this sort of stuff which you can literally slap on a wall and, well, you can tie your house with it. So, pork mince, salt and pepper going in. Oh wow, it's really, really cold. Potentially like someone's egg McMuffins, but let's not go there. It's too early yet, we've got to get going. There we go, how did that look on B-cam? Did it look good?
I think it did, yeah.
Right, nice. Pork mince can't ever really look that great, but yeah, well, at least we've got the lens cap off. This is a good start.
Hello.
How are you getting on?
I'm good, doing good. I've just been distracted by a phone call. What's up?
Yeah, not slowing you down too much, I hope. Look, I have a confession to make. I've nicked your card in the hope that you'll buy us all breakfast.
All right. Muffins for everyone.
Yeah, sounds good. All right, thank you very much.
Alrighty, as you'll see on the screen right now, I did a very exciting task earlier of comparing the size of the cookie cutter with the English muffin. And as you cook meat, as we found before, it tends to shrink. So we're going slightly bigger on this. I haven't had the Egg McMuffin for ages, but we are gonna go fairly big on this, I think. But then use the cookie cutter to kind of bring it into some sort of shape. And at the end of the day, the way I'm thinking is if I make it bigger, why am I talking too much? We've got a race here. We've got ourselves our pork patty. This goes in the fridge for a couple of minutes whilst we work on the eggs.
We've got a little letter.
A muck challenge, very good, Barry.
Yeah.
Very clever. Right. Order in a foreign language. I don't speak a foreign language.
I don't speak a foreign language.
Guess I can try.
We've both got challenges. I decided to open mine earlier and it was that I had to be blindfolded. So I've decided I'm gonna pick the egg step as the step that we are gonna choose. So I feel comfortable doing this. This is the, oh my gosh, do I? I'm like spray oil the the ring won't get all over my hand. Guys, you two are literally the smartest in the room right now. Is this going well?
Not really. Right, you're up, Alex. What you got for us?
Ahoj, můžu se objednat McMuffina?
Oh my gosh, that's sizzling. This is dangerous. Please don't show this to your teachers. So the aim is to get the egg into the mold. How are we doing? Is that good?
That's great.
Oh my gosh, we're frying an egg. Right, let's... Stupid idea. We're racing time anyway. We haven't got... What the...
Můžu se objednat McMuffina? Yeah. 3 of them. Yeah,
It'd be interesting to see if we actually get what we ordered. It was a good challenge from Barry. That slowed us down for sure.
Sorry, guys, this isn't normal.
Fine,
I feel like we've lost time there.
Wow.
keep going, keep
I'll go again,
Go again.
Yeah, I can put it in there, yes. Butter goes in. Blindfold optional. Spray all inside of it again. Egg into the cookie cutter.
Don't miss it.
Got some water here. This is going to go in the pan, okay?
This weight is not ideal. I don't know what the guy in front's ordered, but I think it's probably quite a lot of food.
Going to break the egg yolk up a little bit. And now, a lid is going to go on top. To kind of act as an oven to cook that egg through. And we're muck doing this.
Oh yeah, thank you. Here we go. Thank you very much.
Am I allowed to wave it?
Cheers. Yeah, wave. Have a nice day. Cheers. Bye. Let's
got it right.
let's double check it's the right order first of all. Oh yes. Sausage and egg muffin. Right, mission accomplished. Let's get back.
Woo! Look at that steam. Take this thing off. I'm quite disappointed in the height of that egg, actually. Muck eggs are probably fatter than that, but we'll go with it. There we go, and if I just put that next to it, you can see it's not shrunk, it's not grown. That is pretty much the perfect size.
Yes, this guy knows. He knows we're on a mission.
Here is our chilled pork patty. It is actually quite big, I'm worried now, but it really needs to shrink. I'm gonna get some more pepper on it, and because I'm genuinely in a hurry, I'm gonna lid it again, just to try and accelerate the cooking time.
It is properly wet down here though. And that is a flood. That's a proper flood.
Ah,
That is lovely.
it does? Does it look good? Awesome.
it looks nice.
Yeah? Would you eat that at college? Like I've just said to Kieran off camera, like they're not here yet, and we're nearly done. This is awesome. Toasting up the muffins. They get buttered. The pork's cooking away.
Yeah.
These guys are doing a great job. Don't know where the dog is.
Temporary traffic lights. Typical. Four-way temporary traffic lights.
Yes! So before we build this, I want to talk about the aesthetics of a McMuffin. I just Googled it a minute ago, and like this is how Egg McMuffin looks, or should look, as we'll find out. I thought we'd found out by now, but they're not here yet. But this is how I want it to look. I want that cheese drenched on the muffin, the whole thing.
Do not know we're in a race. Here we go. Here we go. We're away.
Base freshly buttered and still slightly warm. The cheese, which is probably 10% cheese, but we'll go with that. I just really liked the colour. All right, so we drape this over. This doesn't feel right. This does not feel how it should be.
At least we're not stuck in all of this.
Sausage going down. Oh my word, that is a big old piece of pork.
That is yum.
Now the egg, which was disappointingly thin, and then the lid on top. We've got so much time, they've not turned up, that we can probably put this on the spinner, you know, and make it look rather awesome indeed. Well, the irony is my Ring camera has literally just gone off, and it's now cold.
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna be cold when we try it now.
Yeah, oh here they are.
Ah,
How was it?
not as good as yours by the look of it.
I think ours is just as cold. Oh my gosh. Oh, upside down. Wow. That is an absolutely crazy height difference. Look, it's literally like half the height. All right, I've just warmed it up. How the heck do you slice an Egg McMuffin into like 6 pieces? Oh wow, okay, it's just falling apart. Will it be Team Barry or Team McMuffin Men? It tastes like rubber. Blimey. I'm gonna be biased because I made it homemade.
Homemade.
Definitely homemade.
Homemade doesn't taste like an elastic band.
Homemade is a lot more flavourful.
Homemade's a lot more crunchier and authentic.
Yeah, but he's not bothered, he'll have either of them. All right, this video would not have been possible without the help of these lovely students on work experience from Western College, so thank you so much for them. I'm gonna go eat a lot of Egg McMuffins. Ciao. That's better clean. Actually, the washing up's not too bad. It's just a lot of cold McMuffins all around the house. And that sounds like a description of me and you. Like,
Yeah,
cold
I
McMuffins.
kind of feel like one as well, to be fair.
Yeah, it's been a funny old day.